Children, Kula. Good to see you all. You know, last night I was at the dance hall and I thought, how can they actually better this? So I'm looking forward to tonight to see if this can be better. But I was absolutely awe-inspiring yesterday to see our younger generation do what they do and do wonderfully. So I think we should all actually hopefully enjoy this evening. There's a couple of people that really need to be thanked on behalf of Film Fiji, and that's Shanaz and Dallas, who have done a tremendous job with Film Fiji and encouraging our youth. You know, one of the most inspiring things to me and to the rest of the government is to see our younger generation do such things. And in the last, maybe 10 years or so, I think this is the 10th year for Kula, we have inspired so many young children to take up these things. And it is wonderful to see that we're actually doing dance to a world standard and film to a world standard. So I think it's actually the government, you out there, the younger generation, are absolutely awe-inspiring, and we will continue to support Kula and continue to support the younger generation to do such things. And I won't speak for long. I know you're all wanting to watch what's on tonight. Apart from the film, actually, there's some art that was taken care of. I think Fijian actually sponsored that. I saw some on the way in here. Absolute tremendous talent that we have. And to the younger generation, keep on doing what you're doing, and hopefully we will see one of those Spielbergs out of Fiji, one of the great actors that we have around the world, actors and actresses. You know, and I must say something today. This is probably the third day in a row that I've seen the Oceania dance team. They are just absolutely wonderful, aren't they? So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, have a lovely evening, enjoy it, and I wish you all the best as well. Thank you, Shanaz.